Introduction to Social Media Marketing. Social media marketing (SMM) is a powerful digital marketing strategy that leverages social media platforms to connect with your target audience, build brand awareness, and drive business objectives. In today's interconnected world, where millions of people engage with social platforms daily, integrating social media into your marketing efforts is essential for success. Key components of social media marketing. 1. Definition and importance. Definition. Social media marketing involves creating and sharing content on social media platforms to achieve marketing and branding goals. Importance. It provides a direct way to engage with your audience, humanize your brand, and amplify your online presence. 2. Popular social media platforms. Facebook, the largest social network with diverse audience demographics. Instagram, ideal for visual content and reaching a younger audience. Twitter, real-time updates and concise communication. LinkedIn, professional networking and B2B marketing. YouTube, video-centric platform for tutorials, promotions, and storytelling. Why social media marketing matters. Reach and visibility, connect with a global audience, and increase brand visibility. Audience engagement, foster meaningful interactions, and build a community around your brand. Targeted advertising, precision in targeting specific demographics through paid advertising. Data and analytics, access insights to refine strategies based on audience behavior. Getting started. Define goals and objectives. Clarify what you aim to achieve, be it brand awareness, lead generation, or sales. Identify your target audience. Understand the demographics, interests, and behaviors of your ideal customers. Choose the right platforms. Select social media platforms. Align with your goals and where your audience is most active. Thanks for watching.